So now this fire has become bigger. It was just out just a little bit, but if you look at that, it's already halfway down the hill. Already halfway down the hill. Already. It's insane. And I've watched it. It started at the top and then now it's come all the way down. That is crazy. Crazy. I mean, I'm wondering all this down here, like what's going to happen? And it's all the way out over the ocean. It's been burning for a while. I know there is so much damage that's been done up in there. Look at that.